Hey, this is the tutorial to 7 Rings by Ariana Grande. I'm sorry the lighting is not real great in here, but the verse starts off with a little, it's kind of like a snaking kind of step to your right. You're going to step out with your right foot and you're going to go behind, in front, behind, in front. When you get over here, you're going to do a wide squat from the outside and a wide squat on the inside. Come back and take that to the other side. Back, front, front. Wide squat out, wide squat in. Okay? Now, when you get more comfortable with your feet, back, front, you can let your body kind of go the opposite way. So, to kind of make it more pretty, or you can just do the feet. It really doesn't matter. So, after we finish with those squats, we're going to do that pattern 4 times back and forth. And then you're going to kind of do a bounce with your feet, okay? And I just take my arm like this. So, bounce and up, bounce and up, bounce and up, bounce and up. And then bring that right foot out. You're going to start with your hands in a cross and your hips are just doing a circle. You want to hold those abs tight while you're circling. You're going to go cross, throw them down, cross, throw them down. So it's going to go, I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. Then we bounce step, bounce step. Okay? Now, the bridge, you're going to do 2 slow steps forward. Step, drag that foot behind you, and step, drag that foot behind you. Stop, push it out. 2, 3, 4, step it back. 1, 2, push it out. 3, 4, and back to the bounce, throw it. Bounce, throw it. Bounce, throw it. Bounce, throw it. Back to here. Want it, got it. Want it, got it. That's pretty much it. Enjoy.